Ho ho! Merry Christmas and welcome to Santa Ernest toy making workshop. Here we are at the workshop. We're all decorated up for Christmas. I'm gonna make some toys today. And you know, Santa, he likes to make stuff out of wood. And I'll make toys out of wood. And I'll be telling you right now, I'm gonna make a nice couple sets of wooden toys for all you tots out there to have a Merry Christmas. Find it underneath your Christmas tree from Santa. That's me. Elf, bring me wood. Ah, yeah, that's what I need. Great piece of wood. I'm gonna start making toys right now. I'm gonna use one of these Emerson knives. Now, you can do all kinds of crazy stuff with an Emerson knife. I'm gonna show you what Santa can do with an Emerson knife. All right. Well, here I go. Oh, look at that. There. Now let's start again. Let's get going again. Come on, let's get this stuff going. A whacker stick. Yeah, everybody needs one of them. Let's cut this stuff up. Come on, let's get going. Oh, that's a great toy for all the little boys and girls. There we go. Oh, let's have more carving here with this knife. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's not for the little toys. That's for Santa after he's done delivering all those Christmas presents. Oh, look at that. There it is. The ultimate Christmas toy for all the little tiny tots out there. Oh, jeez Louise. Now that's it, folks. I'm done carving up. Now, you use an Emerson knife, you can make all kinds of stuff. Merry Christmas to you.